Welcome back to the Mini Machine Shop. I'm Dave. I need a remote for this camera. I can turn it on and off. Alright, still waiting on the part for the lathe. So I decided to just do some stuff on the end mill. If you'll remember from Craigslist, I got the whole set of boring tools. So I thought I'd make one of the holders dedicated to it. In this video I'm going to show you how I make these things, tool holders. I did, after making it, put it on the granite block and test indicated at the top, and they do some great manufacturing on these things because it's there to the thousandth of an inch. So I can interchange every one of these, and once they get this set, they'll all be on dead center. So let's get cracking and I'll show you how I do it. Alright. First thing I gotta do, I'm going to get the material for the tool holder. This is a lot of aluminum to cut. You notice I like to use the entire length of the blade as much as possible. Alright, let's reverse this. This way I can keep a straighter cut. It keeps me from going that way. And I got lines drawn so I can stay vertical. Alright, I'm not going to bore you with cutting through this entire thing. Well, that's a nice 5-minute cardiovascular workout. Almost through it. Let's see. Yeah, no, that's going to be hot too. Warmer. Right now. Oh well, I had a laser temperature thing in here somewhere. But I love the sound of almost done. Ta-da! Alright, now square it up on the end mill. Alright, got it in the mill, power's on. Got the new cutter in here to test out that I got off the Craigslist. Let's see what we can do with this. Ain't too far down? Oh, no, looks like I'm far enough down. Service looks pretty good, too much so like everything else. I don't know, and I'm up cutting, so yeah, kind of better. Almost to the final cut here. At least we're flattening it out, then we gotta flip it over. Yeah, finishing cut. I'm gonna dig it in 2000. Nice and slow so I get a good cut. There's a dust coming off the cutter. Looks pretty nice. It's flat. Alright. There's a bit of a buckle in there. There's a bump that way. I have a feeling that's not a very good cutter. Yeah, that's definitely a bump. Alright, bad cutter. Oh well. Alright, well, I'm going to finish it off with another end mill and flip it over and bring it to size. Alright, almost there. Let's see where we're at. There's some of this stuff. Alright. Yeah, nice. Nice. Alright, calipers, where are we? supposed to be at 2.4 inches. I'm at 2.412. 12 thousandths needs to come off. 0, the DRL. Alright, fire it up. 12,000. 5,000. Dimension's not that critical, but I like to keep it within my drawing spec. 8,000. Alright, let's measure that. Yuck. Everywhere. At 8 thousandths to go. 8 thousandths to go. Call it thousands right there. Take it out 4,000. Well, that's 5.5. Puts us at what? Yep, that's right there right now. Exactly 2.4. Okay. Turn that guy off now. Need to fly cut the surface. Then cut the dovetail section. And I learned, don't bother doing all that stuff, because if you screw up the dovetail, you just wasted your time on all the other surfaces. And it's easy to mess that up too, because that dimension is really tight. So I'll set up for fly cutting and bring you back. Alright, I'm set for fly cutting. I want to do it so I get a nice surface here. I also want some square edges, which later on I'm going to bevel. So let's see where we're at with this guy. That's too high. Come on down. There we go. And the tip slide. Oh, it's a nice surface, I'll tell you that. Mirror. Love this cutter. Alright, probably one pass. Get the edges nice and square. One more pass. I need to motorize this. Other than hands right here. Hey, it's coming out at me. Finishing turn down 1,000. There it is. I don't know if you can see that surface here. How do I get that over there? You look in the camera and see if you can see that. Pretty nice. Alright, according to my print, I gotta go in .577. down 1/4 inch. So I'll just touch the surface and see where I am. Come up a bit. Come on. Getting close. Already pretty far off. Alright. That's close. There we go. Just touched it. So 0 out of DRL. Now I gotta touch the surface vertically. Engage that. Where am I? Way up. There, close. Come on. There we go. Alright, Z-axis on, 0 it out. So, alright, I said I needed to go, I'll go in. It's a 1/2 inch, so probably just take it in a 1/2 inch. I don't know, 460. And just start taking it down. That's what I got. Put the shield back up. Alright, I guess I'll bring you guys back when I'm closer. Alright, that should be it. Let's just double check it here. I still have an edge there, a little bit. Alright, I should be back at 0.577. .578. Nice. That's good enough for government work. Alright, I gotta flip it around, do the other end. Alright, decided to take you in really close so you can kind of see what's going on here. Getting very close to being finished with this and ready for the dovetail cuts. I've been going in, and I'm taking 25,000 to 30,000 cuts. So you're going to see how this is going. Caliper this in real quick. See where I am. 0 to DRL. Walk off that surface. Alright. Finish looks pretty nice, huh? Yeah, it works out. I love this cutter. Use this thing all the time. Alright. According to the print, I need 1.25 wide. No, that's 50,000. Alright, 50,000 has to come off. I'm zeroed out. Go to 1.250. I'm at 1.249. Yeah, 249. So I'm pretty much right there. 2495. Alright, I'm done with that. Alright, set it up now for dovetail. Alright, a little bit about the setup for this. Dovetail wants to move a lot. So when you put it in the chuck, make sure you do all 3 holes or whatever your chuck has. Make sure that thing is absolutely tight. On depth, I'm supposed to be down 250. I'm actually 15 thousandths high on both sides. The reason is, as it starts to cut in, it wants to pull down, and it's going to start messing up this surface. So I give it an extra 15 thousandths so that when I'm done with both sides, I can actually drop it down 15 or 10 or 5 or something, and just sweep the surface to clean it all up. So right now I just got to get it set for depth here. Where it comes down, where it's going to just scrape. Almost, it's right there. That's scraping. So I'm right on it. I want to pull it up just a thousandth, and I'm going to lock that heavy in place. Now I'm not sure how this is going to react, whether it's going to pull down or not, because this is the first time I'm doing this. Now that I have that steel reinforcing bar on the back of the end mill to try to tram it straight, pull the head back. So let's see how this works. Looks like it's staying off the bottom. Now I can actually go down a little bit more. Let's see how this, when it starts pulling it down. So far it's not. What is it? Yeah, no, it's not touching it. Normally I see it start to pull the head down and start touching the surface, but this is staying fine. Yeah, I'm doing about 15-20,000 worth of cut. Alright, well I won't bore you with this. Alright, very close to the end of this. Now this, I know you can do numbers and math all you want, but somehow it always manages to kind of luck out or not. So I do this to fit. So I always just keep trying it and just go slightly deeper. Where am I now? Get on there? No, it doesn't go on. Can you see? This is the right side, right? Yeah. That's the slot this is going to be going in. Well, it's very close, but no cigar. Alright. Take it in a little bit more. Take it in about 4,000. Check it. Where's the head? There it is. And do you fit? Wow, really close. Wants to go on, but no cigar. Alright. We'll get in another 4,000. 2, 3, 4. How's the finish on that? Oh, nice. Jesus, glass. Alright. You should be getting very close. Still doesn't go on, huh? He wants to jam on there, but I'm still safe. Alright, putting it into 8. No, oh, it's 10. Alright, I'll try that. Still not going on, huh? That's, wow. It wants to go on, but then it won't. Alright. Print says it's supposed to be 1.25 max. Where am I at? Yeah, see, I'm at 1.246. So, and it's definitely not good. All of a sudden it's just too far, and then you can't clamp the part down. Lift it up any which way. No. Alright. Take it in another 4,000. I'm at 10. It's going to 15, 14, 14 and a half, 15. Alright, that's it now. You should be getting awfully close. There it is, right there. Bring it out further. Yep, that's it. Is that still too tight or what? There's a little bit of rock. There's a rock in it. Yeah. Alright, successful, yes. Yes, yes. Alright. So now I just have to clean up all the sides with a fly cutter, and I'll bring you back. And I just bring you back because I want to show you one little trick. I've got that faced, that's faced, that's faced. Now I need to do the ends in that. But what I use, because I don't want to mark up this finish, is I kind of, originally these were my parallels. But you'll be surprised, plastic, just how flat and stable that stuff is. If I clean this up, this is 0.2085. 0.208. Half a thou. So this stuff is great if you want to use it sort of like soft jaws or parallels or whatever. Really stable. 2075. 2085. No, 2075. So it's just great stuff. And I use it a lot in here to protect surfaces and so on. Okay, let me finish fly cutting. Figure, alright, well I've got this set, I just fly cut the surface. I'd show you guys what I do. Oh man, everything's coming out of the chuck. Yeah, how does stuff get up in there? I'm going to have to clean this chuck. Alright, it's a little grizzly tool that I picked up a long time ago that I use for chamfering. Break that loose. Bring it down to about center. A lot of times, you know, I can do it by numbers on the DROs, but I just kind of do it by sound, and it comes out really nice. Let's see, so I'm turning that way, so I want upcut only. Come in until I just start kissing it. This is right there. Come in about 5,000. Not enough sound. Another 5. That's enough for now. So 10,000. Gives me a nice edge. I like it. Alright, this is going to be interesting. Because of the clearance and the length of the chuck, got a collet, 3/8 collet in there. So I'm going to drill it with a 3/8, and that's because I only have 2 collets, a 1/2 inch and 3/8. Let's see where it goes. Alright, a little aqua magic here. Go slow. Long ways to go. Good start. A good bit. Don't feel any wobbling going on. That's gonna be the end, I think. Yep. Alright, so that meant for the 1/2 inch hole.